Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Zaifah Afira binti Tamici, nombor pendaftaran 06 DEP 24F1002. Today I would like to present about question EOC 3 B1 and B2. First of all, in the question it states that 5 advantage of fiber optic cable compared to copper cable in terms of data transmission, durability, security and maintenance costs. So let's begin with the first advantage, which is higher data transmission speed. Fiber optic cable use light signal to send data, which is make the transmission much faster than copper cable that use electrical signal. This allow for high-speed internet and better performance, especially for modern communication system. The second advantage is longer transmission distance. Fiber optic cable can carry signal over several kilometers without losing quality, while copper cable can only transmit data effectively for a shorter range before the signal weakens. This makes fiber optic cable more suitable for long distance communication. So next, the third advantage is greater durability and reliability. Fiber optic cable are not affected by electromagnetic interference, temperature change or moisture. They are more durable and stable even in harsh conditions compared to copper cable, which can easily get damaged or affected by weather. The fourth advantage is better data security. Since fiber optic cable transmit information as a light, it is very difficult to tap or intercept the data. This makes fiber optic more secure and safer to sending sensitive information, unlike copper cable, which are easier to hack. And finally, the fifth advantage is lower maintenance cost. Although the installation cost of fiber optic cable is higher at first, they require less maintenance and have a longer lifespan. This means in the long run, they are more cost effective than copper cable. For the next question is about demonstrate how fiber optic cable can apply in high-speed data transmission systems such as residential network. Fiber optic communication is the one of the fastest and most reliable way to transfer data. It works by sending light signal through special cable, allowing information to move quickly and safely over the distance. So let's begin with the first stage, which is from the data center to the user network. First, we have process encoding. Here, the data from the Internet Service Provider or ISP is converted into light bars using a laser transmitter. This process is called encoding and it prepares the data to travel as a light. Next, the light signal moves through the fiber optic cable by total internal reflection. This means the light bounces inside the cable again and again, allowing the data to travel very far without losing strength. After that, come along with long distance transmission. The light signal travel through the underground or aerial fiber cable from the data center to a nearby distribution point known as the optical line terminal or OLT. Then we have signal splitting. At the distribution point, a device called a passive optical splitter divides one optical signal into several smaller signals. This allows many users in the same area to share the same connection efficiently. Now, let's move on to the second stage, which is from the user network to the user. So, at the user home, the light signal is received by a fiber optic modem, also known as an optical network terminal or ONT. This device converts the light signal back to electrical data so it can be used by home device. Next, the router take over. It distributes the internet connection to different devices, either wireless through Wi-Fi or using LAN cable. Finally, the user user device such as computer, smartphone, smart TV, or IoT device receive the high-speed internet connection. This gives user fast and stable access to online service. To conclude, the resident fiber optic network has two main stages, from the data center to the user network and from the user network to the user. Through this process, data travel as light, get converted back to electrical signal, and finally reach our device, giving us smooth, reliable, and ultra-fast internet access every day. That's all from me. Thank you.